Hello and welcome to today's women's yoga session. This gentle and effective yoga routine is specially designed for women of all ages who want to feel healthier, lighter, and more confident. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably on your mat and take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Yoga is not just exercise. It is a connection between your body, mind, and breath. Practicing yoga daily helps reduce stress, improve flexibility, burn excess fat, and boost overall energy. Let's begin with a simple seated posture. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and place your hands together at your heart center. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice helps calm your mind and prepare your body for movement. Now gently move into a forward bend. This pose stretches the spine, tones the body, and supports digestion. Remember, yoga is not about perfection. Listen to your body and move at your own pace. Regular yoga practice helps women improve posture, increase strength, balance hormones, and feel more positive every day. Take one last deep breath and gently relax. Thank you for practicing yoga with us today. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other women who want to live a healthy lifestyle. See you in the next yoga session.